Hello everybody, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. Today I want to show you a quick tutorial, which is, I would say, pretty advanced in this example, on how to fix the event synchronization problems that happen sometimes with the ICT Protege GX and the ICT Salto space application. Okay, so with this integration, users are able to use their cards with the data residing on the card to unlock wireless doors. All right, so when you unlock wireless locks with your card, the lock will basically then send the event to the card. So when you go to one of the access points or the hotspot, or what we call the update readers, and badge your card, it will send events to Salto and then to GX. So when you run reports in GX, you can actually see where the user went and when. Okay, so in other words, sometimes if one of the two services is stopped for a long period of time, or if there's some errors or maybe some corruption, events may stop entering the GX system. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use a query, a special query, to grab some event ID from the Salto database, and then we're going to put that event ID into the GX site properties. This way, the synchronization is reset, and then events will come in. Okay, so first of all, we need to go in Management Studio and connect to the Salto instance. In this case, I have our Office GX server, and Salto and GX are on the same machine. But in some cases, the Salto is on a different virtual machine, for instance. So I connect to the database. I'm going to run a new query, which is supposed to be my clipboard. So basically, the query is we're going to use the Salto space database and select in descending orders the events, or the last event ID in this case. So when I run this, you see that the last event ID is 6753. Okay, so we're going to just copy this or take note of it. This is what we're going to put in the site in the GX database. So basically, now I'm disconnecting from the Salto database. I can close this query. I don't need to save it. Now let's connect to the GX instance. And here, we're going to find the Protege GX. And then under tables, we're going to scroll down to dbo.sites here. You want to edit the top 200 rows. Okay, and then if you scroll to the right, you look under the IP address field. Let me just find it. Okay, it's right here. So when you see IP address, that's the IP address of the Salto software. In this case, it's the local loopback IP address because we're on the same machine. You're basically going to replace this value with the value we found at the top of the last query we ran into the Salto system. As soon as you change the value and click to a different field, this is going to be applied. And then automatically, if you go back into GX and into an events page, you should start seeing the Salto events being synchronized and saved to the event database from the GX system. Okay, so again, the reason why I did this is we have had a couple sites where this problem happened recently. All right, so I thought it was a good idea to do a tutorial on it. Okay, so remember, we have tons and tons of tutorials on our playlist, so you can use this to learn more on our products. If you need help for sales or tech support, you can reach our support teams and sales teams from the Inaxsys.com website. Inaxsys is the Canadian distributor of ICT products. I hope you liked the video. See you soon.